Do you know every time you scroll on digital platform like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or you search something on Google search, at the same time you are being targeted by digital marketing? And what if I told you you can also promote your product and services to worldwide using just your phone? Hi everyone, I'm Sidibe Jaje. Today I would like to talk about what digital marketing is, its impact, benefit, and skill you need to get started. First of all, what does digital marketing means? A digital marketing is simply mean promote your product or services using internet and on digital platform like social media, website, and search engine. For example, a baker business owner posts a cake on Instagram or run ad on Facebook or Google. That's digital marketing because he's using digital to market or to promote his product or services. Secondly, the impact of digital marketing. Digital marketing has completely changed how business grow online today. The number one, it allows business owner to reach people all over the world. Number two, it helps brand to communicate instantly with customer. Number three, and last one, it make easier for business owner to track using data. The third one is benefit. It is benefit. Now we are going to talk about is benefit. Here is some key benefit which can help business to grow and to get profit on their business. The number one, it is cost effective. Cost effective means giving something value for the money you spend, or the worth, something that can give you the worth. The number two is you can target a specific audience. This is the bigger mistake that I already previously said that in my video. So in digital marketing, if you try to sell your product to everyone, so at the end you will speak to no one. So you have to focus on the specific audience in order to get profit in your online business. The number three is you can measure your result easily. And the last one, you can adjust your strategy at any time. This means at any time you can change your strategy in order to get profit in your business. The lastly is skill that you need to get started. To succeed in digital marketing, you need, the first one is content creation. The second one is social media skill, like social media management, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. The number three is SEO, to rank on Google. This is my favorite digital marketing skill I have been working on. The number four is data analysis. So the number five is knowledge of online advertising like Google ad. And the last one is pay ad. Pay ad is can be also Facebook ad, Instagram ad, TikTok ad, Snapchat ad, and YouTube ad. Digital marketing is one of the most powerful skill you can learn today, and the best part is anyone can start it. So it just require consistency, resilience, and having skill to take action. If you want to master in digital marketing, I recommend you to follow me. So don't forget to comment and like and share. See you in the next video.